Okay, this is a recording. You're looking at me sitting in the sound booth from the perspective of the PTZ camera, which has been mounted on the wall over here. Let me zoom in on it a little bit, camera one, so you can see it. It's mounted pretty much the same location as the previous camera, as near as I could figure it. And it's sitting on top of the L bracket. The microphone that's plugged into it is mounted beneath it. It's the only place I could figure it would be where it wouldn't potentially be in the way of the camera. As the camera is moving around. So here I am in the booth, and I'm using the remote to, let me zoom out, fast zoom out, so you can see, there's the perspective. That's all the way zoomed out. And then of course, you can, I guess you can pan it. Yeah, there it goes. it's panning, and so you can see the choir, and maybe tilt down. Whoop, I think I hit home as I went by, so that's the home position. Let's go back over there to the choir, and tilt down a little bit. And so that would be a position for the choir, and then maybe you could zoom in a little bit on that if we made it a preset. Or that even might be good for communion, the communion part of the offering. So let's go down a little bit farther, and this is the, oh man, that's as low as it can go. I'm gonna have to put a preset here. Okay, so, but that is max tilt down. So that's as much as we can get, and then let me zoom it. So you can zoom the heck out of this thing. 20x zoom. You pick up the threads in the quilt covering the piano. Okay, there. That might be a little better. And then, but no more tilt down. But I guess if you back off, zoom back off a little bit, then it works a little bit better. So, okay, so I'm gonna see if I can make this preset number one. I'm pressing preset 1, and we had a previous preset in there, so I don't know if I can override it without clearing the previous one out, but let's just put it in the home position now. So I'm pressing the home button, so it's going, oh, that's nice. The home looks right at the doors at the back, and then I'm hitting 1 for preset 1. Yeah, it's not doing anything. So, whoop. I'm not sure what that preset is. These are the previous presets that were loaded in it. I guess I have to clear them out first before I can put a new one in. We'll figure this out. Preset 4, preset 5, preset 6. Oh, I can look at the wall. Great. Preset 7. Get a real nice picture of the wall. Okay. Well, I'll have to clear out these presets before we can actually load new ones in, I guess. And, okay, zooming back out. And over a little bit, and over a little bit. Boy, I really have to kind of be on it. But, so you can see what the camera is doing as it goes to these different presets, which we'll have to load. And there, okay, that's the home, and that's looking at the doors in the back of the room. That's home position. Okay, so anyway, it's installed. It works. We need to put the presets in so it's easy to operate, and you don't have to actually think so much or move it around, I guess. But I'll go ahead and try and put in some presets and then, of course, write down what they are. The only thing that I haven't been able to test here is whether or not the microphone is working, because there's no sound in that corner of the room right now, no piano playing. So, and I can't do that and this at the same time. Besides, I can't play a piano anyway, so it wouldn't make sense. Anyway, that's the end of this test in place, and the PTZ camera is installed. It's Valentine's Day 2022. Happy Valentine's Day, everybody.